right, so it is now day 3, correct?
Day 3!
Yes, sir. Day 3. It is 8 a.m. Vegas time. And what are the plans today, boys?
We're going to this thing called the Grand Canyon. You may have not heard of it before. Super low key, super like, you know, underground. Literally.
Driving Route 66. Yeah, we get some pictures on the road. It's gonna be cool. And we're gonna go to In-N-Out Burger, which is only here in the West.
That's right. Grand Canyon, In-N-Out Burger, drive in the West. It's gonna be fun. We'll see what happens in the next shot in 3, 2, 1. Oh, did you want to get temporary tattoos right here?
Yeah, there's a lot of funny stuff here. Boobies. So there's a real quick. There's a
pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight, talking about cars and dreaming back.
Where are we going, Jacob?
McDonald's!
Oh, that's right. We're going to check out Burger King.
So he was explaining to me what animal style is. This one's pretty good. Doesn't fit on my giant head. It does taste like Thousand Island.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. How's the burger taste?
Well done.
We have finished our In-N-Out Burger and we are going to continue driving on Route 66. But first, a photo op here.
Look at this graph.
Great stuff. Great content.
How was that? Was that good?
That was good.
Did you get the emotion?
It's going to be a famous dollar one day. Now it is Jacob's
My turn.
All right, who wants to hang it up? Where's the... Here it is.
Let's write
Yeah.
the date. 10. What's today?
The 10th? I think it's the 10th.
Legendary dollar bill right there.
Right here. Good.
I like it.
Well, how do you like?
Stab it.
Really, yeah.
Oh, is it hard?
There we go.
Boys, you two shake now? Now all three?
Jesus Christ.
Where's the light?
One of these boobies probably turns it on. Where is the light?
Come on in. Boobs!
Guide to the identification of boobs on Route 66.
sorry, rabbits eat their own poop in the
I
sky?
will reread.
Should we start eating our own poop?
I don't think so. Well, it depends on what we've eaten.
We're about to pull into the Grand Canyon National Park. How we feeling, boys?
We the best.
We the best.
It's an amazing feeling.
This is for the sign is right here. Now jump up in the air towards me on 3. 1, 2, 3. And then can we get 2 separate the maps and all this stuff that you'll give us? All the good stuff, all the goods. Yep.
Go around.
Chad, I missed your first reaction looking at the Grand Canyon.
It's really cool, man.
It is really cool.
It looks like a Windows screensaver. It doesn't look real.
So we're at the Grand Canyon.
Oh, is this where we are?
Yes.
This is the oh, dude, I thought this was
The small one.
what's the mini canyon.
The mini.
Whatever the opposite of
This is
grand.
a small.
The small canyon. We're just at the small canyon, so we'll try to find the bigger one, but for
Yeah.
now we're gonna enjoy the
You
small
guys
canyon.
know where it is. You know, just
This guy's looking at something.
Colorado.
And we're gonna see a sunset. It's gonna be nice.
All right, see ya.
All right, bye, Jacob. You have Disney Plus. There's a documentary. Spandex Nation! Oh, you have to be louder than that, Chad.
Okay.
Spandex Nation!
Louder, not raise your voice.
I mean, if you gotta raise your voice to get louder.
Fuck it. All right, one more time.
right.
One more time, louder.
We gotta
though.
listen though afterwards. Go ahead.
Spandex Nation! Spandex Nation! No, I'm scared. This is Jacob Herbert, Spandex Nation impression, take 1.
Spandex Nation! There was a time.
Shut up.
All right.
Did you get me hawking a loogie?
Yep.
Yes, I did.
All right, here we go.
It's got a wide angle on it.
Spandex Nation!
I heard it. That was good.
That's great.
That's how you do it. For the guys, for the boys.
That's a trail. You can walk that.
Yes, and that's where you get to the
Yeah.
part where you can go into the falls.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I'm not eating. Lost. One of us didn't get our food tonight. We had to be mad.
I'll be 89, man.
What?
I'll be 89.
Aha. Oh, yeah, go ahead. I'm sure they won't say anything.
Do I need my wallet?
No. We're gonna go to the Grand Canyon and look at some stars. It's gonna be nice. We're back from looking at the stars above the Grand Canyon, and what did we think, boys?
It's beautiful, man.
This was good. It's cold.
Cold, yeah.
It was a bit chilly. Yes.
Got to see a lot. Found a Big Dipper, Little Dipper, and Saturn.
Saturn. Saturn, and some other overall stars and lights in the sky. It's beautiful. We're just gonna hang out for now and see what we do, and then tomorrow got some more driving and exploring. We'll see what happens. Driving and exploring.